Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Right now you see the look that we're going for today. Well, the almost completed look. We're starting with the Morphe 35H palette, and we're going to use that brown looking shade as our transition. And as you see, I'm starting right in the crease area. I went straight for the middle, and then I'm blending to the outer edge. And as you know, if you've watched my previous videos, I do speed it up some because blending takes a very long time, and I don't want to waste time allowing you all to watch me blend. If you ever want a slow down version, just comment that down below, and then I will make an eyeshadow video specifically for that. Now I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm using that Hunter Green shade, and I am just tapping that into the area that is left open, the outer area of my lid. And I'm just blending that in with the transition shade. As you see, I got it a little bit above my crease, so I went above that back with the brown to try to blend that in. And then, as you can see, I did it again, which shows that you do make mistakes. Off camera, I did blend it in a little bit better. But now I'm going to take this gold color from the Morphe palette again, and I am going to put that in my inner corner. Well, not inner corner, but like the inner part of my lid. And then I'm going to blend that in with the green as I'm putting it in. And as you can see, I'm just tapping it on. I'm not rubbing it, but I'm tapping it. And all of these things help with the blending. Now, as you can see, I am taking my BH Cosmetics liquid liner, and I am lining my lid. And y'all, I never get it perfectly straight. It's something that I'm still working on. But off camera, I put some glue on my eyelash, and now I am allowing it some time, a minute or so, just to get kind of tacky before I place it on my eyelid. Right there, you see me kind of checking to see if the glue is tacky. Tacky just meaning it's not super wet, but it's not super dry either. If you got questions about that, just comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer them the best way that I can. And as you can see here, I am placing the eyelash on my lid. I tried to get it to stick down in the middle, and then I will lay the edges down. Now I am, well, as you can see, I was trying to blend, just press my eyelashes in with the false lashes just to get it really stuck. Okay, now you see me. Y'all, I was so into my makeup this time. I was not even showing y'all. I do apologize about that. I was not being clear on the products that I was using. Forgive me. But that is my Maybelline mascara. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is a little trick that I use when I forget to use like the tape to make my edge really sharp. So I just take my concealer and draw that line. Now I'm not sure if you watch my other videos, but I'm going to tell you again, or for the first time, I conceal before I put foundation on and after, just because I feel like it helps with my dark circles and my bags and my problems areas. So it helps me more when I conceal both ways. But if you don't need it, by all means, skip this step. So I concealed my under eye, below my chin, above my lip, and a little on my neck. And so then I'm going to take my beauty blender. This is my Real Techniques blender. I just started using them and I actually kind of love it. It's super soft. Because I'm a perfectionist, I took that, it's like a flat brush, just to blend the concealer out by my eyeshadow so that I wouldn't mess it up and so that line would be extra perfect. So that's what you see me doing, and I did it on both sides. And I'll just let you guys watch what I'm doing and quit talking so much so that you can really pay attention. But I do want to mention, as I'm blending, you see I'm not rubbing the foundation in. I am literally patting. That's what takes it so long, but I'm telling you, that's what makes the look so flawless. So I'm just patting the mascara into my skin. And now, y'all, I told y'all I was in the zone this time. But I used my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 334. And that's what you see me putting on my face right now. I'm just taking my time and blending that into my skin. And at that point, I was trying to adjust the light, guys, because I don't know, sometimes the lighting doesn't really, it makes it seem as if the foundation don't match, but girl, I'm telling you, it looks bomb, okay? As you see, sometimes when I lean back, you can really see how it actually looks. But yeah, so I'm just still blending, girl. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Beige, and I'm using this concealer as a highlighter and as a concealer. It's gonna make my bags disappear even more, and it's gonna highlight under my eye. So that's why you see I'm not using the exact color as my skin. It is a little lighter. So I'm putting that under both eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead. Now, just in case someone asks, like the lines that you see, yeah, there's no particular reason for that pattern. I just been doing it like that for as long as I've been doing my makeup, so it's just habit at this point. So you can put it concealer in those places in any like particular way. I just happen to do it that way. So after I draw the lines and put my concealer where I want it, I just take that Real Techniques sponge and just blend it out. And then right here, you see me tapping in some of that translucent powder. It's the same one that I normally use with the orange top. I cannot think of the name right now. As you guys know, I'm horrible with names. But I am tapping that translucent powder into the areas where I just put concealer at. And I know my channel is known for beginners, so that translucent powder is just on there to help prevent any creases and any wrinkles under your eye. And so right now I am taking I can't even talk right now, y'all, but I'm taking some contour. Taking some contour from my e.l.f. palette and contouring my nose and on my cheeks. Not sure if y'all heard that, but my rude husband just sneezed while I'm trying to do my voiceover. Okay, so we're going back in and we are blending. We blend that contour out. Right now you see me taking some more of that translucent powder and just putting it up under where I contoured it. I just do that because it makes it look a little sharper. More defined, should I say. Now I am going in with a brown, kind of like the same brown that I use in my crease, and I am putting that on my waterline. I'm going to do that for both eyes. I tried to go pretty heavy just because it's brown, just to make sure you can really see it. At this point I'm getting excited because you can see, or I can feel the look coming together. But right now you see I am taking a different brush, more of a fluffier brush, and I'm wiping that translucent powder off. And now for those of you who are more subtle, that could be your complete look right there, without what you see me doing right here. But I wanted to be a little bit adventurous. I don't usually do my makeup like this. So I wanted to put some of that pigment that I use for the middle from that Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I just put that same color up under my under eye. And I am blending that out just so it doesn't look as harsh. And I'm doing the same thing for the other side. Put it right up under my under eye to give you that like smoky effect. And then I went in with a fluffier brush to kind of blend it out, just so that it isn't so harsh. And what you're not going to see, I did go back in with a little more of my concealer, and I blended that out just because the green pigment, it got a little bit everywhere. But I did not show that on this video. And there is the pretty much finished look as far as eyes go. But then I went back in with my mascara and put some on my bottom lashes to make them look a bit more defined. Alright, and as you see, guys, I've made mistakes. Like, nothing is perfect. I just found a way to wipe it off, blend it in. Right here, I am using some blush from a BH Cosmetics palette called Cherry Vanilla Truffle, something like that. So I am putting some of that on my cheek area. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place palette, Warrior palette, and I'm using that as my highlighter just because I love it. And I'm putting that on my nose area, and then I'll put it on my cheek area on both sides. And I'm being sure to kind of blend it in because I like it to where you can see it, but I don't want it to be super shiny and unnatural. That's just my preference. So I have this green lipstick that I wanted to try. It is NYX. Y'all, I do this on every video. I'm gonna get the name for you, but I got a whole pack of the NYX lip gloss, and so I wanted to try it. I felt like it would look super cute with it, so I went in with the green color to kind of match my eyes. For those of you who like a super bold look, this may be the look for you. But me personally, I thought it was a bit much. I'm pretty sure I would not wear this out exactly like that with the just green look. So, as you're about to see, I'm going to go in and wipe some of it off and just kind of use that green like a liner. But I'm going to quit talking and you'll see what I mean in just a minute. Okay, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a more proper way to do that. I think I'm actually going to get a makeup wipe. Yep, I got a makeup wipe and I just kind of took the center area off just so that it isn't so much green. And I used the matte lip gloss as kind of like a liner, as you'll see. So I wanted to kind of soften the look up just a little bit, so I went in with a nude tannish color, and I kind of thought that was a bit more subtle. And y'all tell me what you think in the comment. Which one you thought was better, the darker green or the nude in the middle? Me personally, I think that the second one is more of my style. Girl, you see that highlight on the side? It is bomb. So now I'm taking my NYX setting spray and I'm going in and setting this look. Now I did not press this in the way I usually do with the brush. I just kind of let it set in. But this is the finished look, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Just hit the red box in the corner to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.